In the last year, our family got into pickleball and now it's all the rage. So let's open this new paddle set which was sent to me by Joycent. Everything is enclosed in this nice carrying case, which has a netted pocket in the front, so I can put my phone and my keys in there while on the court. The top has a nice handle, but around back, there's also a strap so I can sling this carrying case onto my shoulder when in transit. And the strap is even adjustable. Let's go ahead and open this up. So inside we have a total of 4 balls, 2 green and 2 yellow. I think the ones that are green with the smaller holes are for outdoors, but I'm really not sure how much difference those holes make. And here are the pair of paddles, each wrapped in bubble wrap. I chose the purple set, but these paddles also come in a bunch of other colors. By the way, these paddles are USAPA approved for tournament play, so they're manufactured with strict standards. These ones are made of carbon fiber as noted here on the edge of the paddle. The carbon fiber supposedly gives you better spin and control, which I'll have to wait and test out a little bit later. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the plastic wrap around the handle so I can test out the grip. It feels very comfortable and natural to hold, and it's also not slippery. It feels like it's actually got a bit of a cushion. Overall, these paddles feel pretty lightweight. Let's see what else this set comes with. It looks like these are some grip taps, and look at that, it's a cooling towel. That's a total bonus. Let's go ahead and open up this and take a quick look at the towel. I think the towel is a pretty good size to wear and will be easy to wear around the neck or slip into a pocket. And I just noticed that inside the carrying case there's a second netted pocket. And the whole thing seems to be waterproof as well, so it will be super easy to wipe clean. In a follow-up video, we're going to test these paddles out in a game and see how they perform.